What's up everyone, my name is Mike and welcome to Classic Car Craft. On this episode we are going to have a look at the build of my new workshop here in Greece. I moved to Greece 1.5 years ago, having a dream which I'm basically on the way to realizing, and of course with the help of you guys we can make big projects possible. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it helps, it doesn't cost anything, and make sure you leave a like on this video.